Most people get this wrong. They think all travel insurance is the same, but IMG Travel Insurance offers options that can really make a difference depending on your trip. Today, I'll share my first and usage experience so you know what to expect before buying a plan. IMG offers a variety of plans for international travelers, including short-term trips, long-term stays, and even coverage for students or expatriates. When I purchased a plan for a month-long trip abroad, I was able to choose coverage that included medical expenses, trip interruption, baggage loss, and even emergency evacuation. The flexibility in customizing the plan is one of IMG's biggest advantages. The claims process is straightforward. I had to file a claim for a delayed flight and lost luggage. The online portal was easy to navigate, and I received approval within a few days. Customer support was responsive, which isn't always the case with travel insurance providers. One surprising benefit was coverage for pre-existing medical conditions, which many standard policies exclude. IMG offers optional coverage that can be added depending on your health situation, giving peace of mind for travelers with ongoing medical needs. A few things to watch out for. Premiums can be higher than basic travel insurance, and some policies have strict documentation requirements for claims. It's important to read the terms carefully and understand exactly what's covered. In conclusion, IMG Travel Insurance is a solid choice if you want flexible coverage, reliable claims processing, and options for pre-existing conditions. For frequent international travelers or those with specific needs, it's worth considering. Subscribe for more honest reviews of travel insurance and tips to travel safely and smartly.